Hey there, international business hustlers. Ever feel like traditional banks are stuck in the Stone Age when it comes to managing your global finances? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into airwallex, a fintech platform that's turning heads with its sleek features for businesses that operate across borders. But the big question is, can it truly replace your bank account? Buckle up, because we're about to unpack the good, the not so good, and everything in between. Why juggling bank accounts is a global business pain. Imagine this, you're a jet-setting entrepreneur with clients and suppliers scattered worldwide. Every month, you face a financial juggling act, managing multiple bank accounts in different currencies, dealing with hefty international transfer fees, and spending hours navigating clunky online banking interfaces. Sound familiar? Traditional banks just weren't built for the fast-paced world of international business. Enter airwallex, the all-singing, all-dancing fintech savior, maybe. Airwallex steps in with a shiny proposition, a one-stop shop for all your global financial needs. Here's what it throws on the table. Multi-currency accounts, hold and manage funds in over 20 currencies, all from a single platform. No more scrambling between different bank accounts. Seamless international transfers, say goodbye to sky-high transfer fees. Airwallex boasts competitive exchange rates and lets you send and receive payments internationally at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional banks. Virtual cards, issue virtual cards to your employees or yourself for secure online spending in different currencies. No more worrying about foreign transaction fees. Payment processing, accept payments from customers worldwide in multiple currencies, all conveniently integrated into your airwallex account. Automated FX, set up automatic foreign exchange conversions to avoid missing out on favorable exchange rates. Sounds too good to be true? Here's the catch. While airwallex is undeniably cool, it's important to understand its limitations. Here's where the not quite a bank account part comes in. Not FDIC insured, unlike traditional banks, funds held in airwallex accounts are not FDIC insured. This means your money isn't protected in case of bankruptcy. Limited features, airwallex focuses on international transactions and payments. You won't find features like check deposits, bill pay, or ATM access, functionalities you might expect from a traditional bank account. Business-oriented, airwallex is designed specifically for businesses. If you're looking for a personal account, you'll be out of luck. So, can airwallex replace your bank account? The answer depends on your specific needs. If you're a small or medium-sized business that conducts most of your transactions internationally, airwallex can be a game-changer. It simplifies your finances, saves you money on fees, and offers a user-friendly platform to manage everything in one place. However, if you need the security of FDIC insurance or rely heavily on traditional banking features like check deposits, airwallex might not be the complete solution. The verdict, airwallex, a powerful ally, not a replacement. Think of airwallex as your international business bestie. It streamlines your global transactions and payments, saving you time and money. But it doesn't, and can't, replace the security and features offered by a traditional bank account. The best approach? Consider airwallex as a powerful tool in your financial arsenal, working alongside your existing bank account to create a winning combination for your international business. Remember, do your research and understand your specific needs before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy international business hustling.